Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about an article that it's very interesting, and I know several of our customers probably already have this, but it's still good to know, even if you don't need it. I'm sure all of us have used this industry's services, right? And it's good to know that the people that you are having work on your home or your business or whatever the case may be are properly covered, right? And you'll get what I'm saying from the title. So what does Handyman Insurance cover, right? So I'm not handy, so I have people, and my wife's not handy, so we have people work on our home all the time, right? And the saying is, hey, is the person licensed, bonded, and insured, right? And that's a surefire way to kind of, especially for a kind of a handyman that's solo or has a small shop, that's an easy way to get some credibility, right? To say, hey, you know what? You can rest assured that if something goes wrong, because I'm licensed, bonded, and insured, that you will be made whole. Not to say that anything will ever go wrong, but I'm a up to standard worker, right? And I have all these credentials to back me up. So what's covered? It's almost like your standard BOP, right? Where you have general liability, which is obviously quite important. If someone is injured or you damage property, you're covered. But there's several other. Didn't you have commercial property? Any of your property that you use, or if you have an office, all of that can be covered as well. Commercial auto insurance, workers' comp, errors and emissions, right? So if you're found liable to have used shoddy material or done poor workmanship, and the judge finds you guilty or liable, then you can also, you'd be covered for kind of your legal expenses and any awards that have been made, you've been liable for. And then surety bonds, right? And surety bonds are just kind of a contract that you have with a surety company that guarantees the client financial compensation if you, the handyman, does not fulfill their contractual obligation, right? And that bonded part is truly to build a reputation, right? Some states require it for some jobs, just like they require being licensed, but not all, right? And if you are a handyman, once again, part of your marketing is your reputation, right? So you really want to make sure that not only do you cover everything, right? All of your liabilities, all of your possible liabilities, being bonded is one of those, right? You don't want to find yourself open in terms of not being insured, right? But then there's a residual benefit to having kind of being bonded, because hey, it's like, hey, I'm very thoughtful about my work, and if something were to go wrong, even if in the rare case that something does go wrong, you as the client, as my client, will be able to file a claim with the surety company to be made whole from a compensation standpoint, right? So that's great marketing. That's why on everything you read, or if you see like a commercial or a billboard for some type of contractor or a construction company, they'll say licensed, bonded, and insured, right? Just to let the clients know that you can have peace of mind, right? So those are the coverages that are packaged in kind of in insurance companies. they've been covering handyman for so long. They have cookie cutter packages for a handyman. Obviously, you can endorse and create or add in your own coverages that are unique to your profession, if so. But as a base, you should certainly, if you are a handyman, look at these policies, because even if there's something in the policy that you don't think you need, rest assured there is data that the insurance companies have that shows that there is a possibility for loss for a handyman in said area, right? So those are some of the coverages, and once again, it's not just, this article is not just for handyman, it's also for people who call upon handymen to help them out, so that you get a better understanding for what's covered or what you should be looking for when you're trying to hire a handyman. All right? Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll chat next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.